loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying out the polygel nail extension from Gershion. Now a little quick disclaimer, this was actually sent to me by the company to, ask for my opinion and see how I like it and stuff like that, which I really do. So this time I am going to be trying out the Gershion shade number 3 because that one really, stand out to me from my last video. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you guys check it out. Pause this video and go look for that video, or I will link it down below or leave it on the e-cards on the screen. It should pop out. So I am going to be trying out the ice nail tip. I went in with whatever builder gel I had, and then I tapped it in, and then you guys saw it. It's easier to see than explain for me. So right here I am going to be using shade number 3 from Gershion. I am using their brush and their slip solution, which I really like. And this color, in my last video I had some problems curing it, maybe because it was super thick, I don't know, but this time it actually cured completely, maybe because of how sheer I was using it. I did use a lot of polygel on this nail. I should have used a smaller bead. You live and you learn. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be scraping off because I realized I applied way too much polygel, and so yeah, I'm scraping it off with the spatula from the other side of the brush. And I did include in this video using the actual file that includes it comes in the actual kit. That part is not how to, it's more like I'm showing you that it's possible to use a nail file without using an e-file. So if you don't have an e-file, you could definitely use a nail file to shape your nails. So I am going to be using this beautiful custom made glitter mix that I created. It was more like a Christmassy vibe. Either way, it still came out bomb just by itself. I do have a post on my Instagram just using this glitters on the nails, and they come out so beautiful. So if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, I suggest that you do, because usually that's where I post all my pictures, and even like pictures or images of nails that I don't even record. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll leave the link down below in the description box, or you can find me as Elegance Nails on Instagram. So I am going to be doing the same thing to all the nails, and I will be using the little crystals that come in the actual kit, and the rhinestone picker as well that comes in the actual kit as well, and then just top coating it. I really love the way this set came out. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comment sections. And that's about it, you guys. All I can say is I really love this entire kit. I love the colors. I love how pliable they are. They're easy to work with, and my favorite part I would have to say is that it includes a slip solution, and I didn't even it's not even expensive, to tell you guys the truth. It's really not. I actually saw the price, and I would definitely, if they would have not sent it to me, honestly I would have purchased it soon, because I love the nude colors in this collection. Personally, me, I tend to collect a lot of nudes. But overall, I would definitely recommend it to you guys. This is an approved product by me. I really love it. I really do truly love it. Especially this color right here is one of my favorites. It's just so pretty. It just goes with any time of the year. So that's about it, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos.